In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Zoho Books. Whether you're a small business owner or managing finances for a larger organization, Zoho Books makes it easy to keep track of your financial data in a comprehensive and organized manner. Let's dive right in and make sure you can log in without any hiccups. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Zoho Books homepage. This is your first port of call, and it's where all the action begins. Once you're there, take a look at the top right corner of the page. You should see a button that says Sign In. Click on that, and you'll be taken directly to the login page. Here, you'll need to enter your registered email address or your mobile number. This is the crucial first step to access your account, so make sure you have this information handy. Depending on the way your account was set up, you'll encounter a few different paths forward, each providing secure access to your data. Firstly, if you have a traditional setup, you'll use your password to log in. Just enter it in the designated field and proceed with the login. Alternatively, if you prefer a more dynamic method, you might receive a one-time password, commonly known as an OTP, sent directly to your email or mobile device. Simply input this number when prompted, and you'll be good to go. This method is particularly popular for keeping your account secure without the need to remember an additional password. For those who are keen on cutting-edge technology, Zoho Books offers an innovative approach called Smart Sign-In via their OneAuth app. This feature allows you to enhance your security by scanning a QR code. All you need to do is open the OneAuth app on your smartphone, point it towards the QR code displayed on your login page, and voila! Your secure access is granted. Sometimes you might have signed up for Zoho Books through an external service. This includes popular options like Google, LinkedIn, or Facebook. If this is the case for you, the login process is even more straightforward. At the login prompt, you'll see these options displayed prominently. Choose your preferred service and follow the usual prompts to access your account with ease. With these simple steps, accessing Zoho Books should be a breeze. Remember that your financial data is important, so maintaining a secure login process is key. Zoho's flexible login options cater to all security needs and make sure you can manage your financial data without stress. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps make your experience with Zoho Books smooth and straightforward.